Hey, what's up guys, it's Deepin here, and today I'm going to unbox the new flagship device that won't break your bank, the Redmi K20 Pro. So I bought this device from Flipkart on alpha sale. So there are two variants of this device. One is 6 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal, and 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of internal. Let's cut this box open. So inside the box there is one envelope. Let's put this aside. There's a Redmi K20 Glacier Blue variant. I have 6 gig and 128 gig storage right here with me. This one looks cool. On the back there is Gorilla Glass 5 as well as on the top of it. Let's see what else in the box. There is one charging brick or charging adapter, whatever you want to call. It is of 18-watt charger. So there is one USB type C cable, which is not looking premium at all as compared to OnePlus. So let's see what's inside the envelope that we saw earlier. So there's one case, the protective case, some user manuals, which is just paperwork. Let's put this aside. There's one SIM ejector tool on top of the envelope. I think it should open like that. So this is the case. It is hard but smooth and slippery. Looks premium though. So let's remove everything from the frame. So coming back to the device, let's remove the plastics from the phone. There is one on the top of the pop-up selfie camera. Let's remove it from the front. That's satisfying. Let's remove one from the back. So there is no wireless charging or NFC in this phone. So let's set up the device. As of now I'm skipping everything. I'm selecting the region right now. Where is India? There you go. Next, Wi-Fi. I'll put the password. There you go. So coming to the specification of this device, it has Snapdragon 855 SoC, 6 GB of RAM, 6.3-inch Amoled Horizon screen, the edge-to-edge display, as well as the pop-up selfie camera. There are 3 cameras on the back. One is telephoto lens, standard lens, as well as the ultra wide angle lens. So it's checking for update right now. Let's add some fingerprint. I'm setting up the pin. and there is one fingerprint sensor underneath the display, so I'm setting my fingerprint. It is taking some time. So the setup is now completed. So this is it, guys, from the unboxing. Please subscribe to my channel to see the full review of the Redmi K20 Pro. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Signing out. Peace.